Here's how to change the color of your video. Click on the video in the timeline. Click on the Effect Controls tab at the top. Then click the Effects tab at the bottom. In the search bar, type the word Color. Under Color Correction, find Change to Color. Drag the effect up and drop it into the Effect Controls. Next to From, click on the eyedropper tool. Then click on the program monitor on the color that you want to change. Then go down one option to 2 and click the white window. From here, you can either select any color in the spectrum, or you can enter a hex code, which is a 6-digit combination of letters and numbers that express a specific color. Then under Tolerance, change the hue from 10 to 100%. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me a bunch. And stay tuned for more videos that help content creators every day.